What's going on, y'all? We at it again. So today I've installed a wall heater. It's a nice small wall heater, covers about 135 square feet. So this is in a customer's bathroom. So basically it just needed a receptacle. It doesn't draw a lot of amperes, I think it draws about 2 amps. So there wasn't no power in the bathroom. So the back side of this wall is a walk-in closet. And then on the adjacent side of the walk-in closet, there was access to a 2-gang switch, which is where we're getting our power from, which is right there. So basically what we did, we're just hooking up a Romex in the wall to that J-box, and then conduiting over the door and into the back side of that 2-gang box that we saw. And of course we have our 2 orange lights, which means it's correct and it is complete. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. See you soon.